What's up, y'all? I'm Kanin Cuisine, the smoked lamb specialist. Come get what I do. Let us be your who when it comes to lamb. Today, we are making classic wedge salad. A classic wedge salad, which is basically a head of lettuce cut into quarters, or you can cut it horizontally, as long as you make a wedge, and then whatever you want to put on top of it. That's a wedge salad. It's gonna be something very simple, something that you can do for your lady while she wait on the real food you finna cook. So try this out today. I know some of y'all gonna be scared, but you know what? You gonna do it. You hear me? Yeah, man. I get to have a cooking show right now. Amen to that. Not tomorrow, not yesterday, right now. I'm so excited. So excited to give you a recipe today that might help your life, might help give you a little peace, might add a little excitement into what you got going on. So today we're gonna make a classic wedge salad. And let's go through these ingredients right quick, let you know what we're working with today. And what I have today ain't what you got to do. This just give you a foundation. I'm just all about giving you a foundation. Then you do what you do, throw what you do on top of that. Because when you cooking, it's your show. It ain't nobody else's show but your show. You hear me? So let's start over here. We got guanciale. Now you could get bacon, or some bacon bits, but I chose to be fancy. I like guanciale. Some people like prosciutto, pancetta, all them different kind of meats, but I like guanciale. Crispy guanciale on the salad is so good. Then we got some tomatoes, some cherry tomatoes here. Got them sliced in half. I cut the little root end off because I'm picky. I don't like no root ends on my food, so I cut that part off. Then we got some chives, fresh chives right there. Chives, good chives are hard to find in Memphis for some reason. They always close to dying or dead, but I found some good chives today, so we in luck. We got some jalapeno pepper. You ain't gotta have no jalapeno pepper, but I like to have a little kick in most of my food. I think I can get away with putting a little jalapeno in this salad right here, because my wife, she gonna be the one eating this salad, and she don't like hot food, but I think I can get some of these jalapeno peppers in there. Got some garlic right here. We got some white sugar. We got some cherry vinegar. Got some olive oil. Got some sour cream, some Duke's mayo, a little onion to go on top of there. We got a mixture of blue cheese and gorgonzola. Gorgonzola got a little more, I'm talking about, when you got gorgonzola, blue cheese got a little, but that gorgonzola is gonna hit you a little harder. So I mixed it up half and half, so you have a nice little blend in the dressing, because we're gonna make our own dressing for this salad today as well. And of course, you got this $1 head of iceberg lettuce. You know what I'm saying? That's a win right there. You can get you a little salad for $1 and win, and you're gonna spend your real money on that real part of the dining experience, which is the main course. But we ain't doing no main course today. We just focusing on the salad, which is gonna be what she eat before she get that real food. You know what I'm saying? So let me move some of these things out of the way, and we're gonna get to making this dressing. We're gonna come right back. You heard me? All right, let's make this dressing. This is the most important part, because this salad is so simple. You're gonna need a really good dressing to make this thing pop. So this is what we gonna do. We're gonna put in our cherry vinegar. I think this is about like a third of a cup. We got a third of a cup of olive oil. Got 2 teaspoons of white sugar right there. Then we got this garlic. And then that's about 2 cloves of garlic. Not just one, about 2 cloves of garlic. Put a little salt in there. Put a little pepper in there. And then we're gonna whisk this up real good. That's all that take right there. If you can see on the B-roll cam right there. Ain't too much to that. Just whisk that together. We're gonna pour a little bit over here because we're gonna use this to brush on our lettuce wedge. We want the dressing to be all up in between, all up mixed all up in the leaves. We want good flavor everywhere. I did not get me a tasting spoon, so let me reach over here right quick. Give me a tasting spoon. There you go. Need to always have a tasting spoon, especially if you're cooking for other people. Since I'm cooking for my wife, it shouldn't be no problem, but I just want to stay in the practice of having me a little tasting spoon. That's cool right there. Might take a little bit more sugar. A little bit. That's enough right there. I really ain't friends with sugar like that. I don't try to do too much sugar, but that right there needed it. And I'm on a double dipping cause I'm at my house. Yeah, that's it right there. Cool. Next, we're gonna add this, got this mayo right here, this Duke's mayo. Gonna put that in. And what this gonna be, y'all, is a slick blue cheese gorgonzola dressing. Just so you know, just in case you was wondering, because I really didn't say what kind of dressing this was. We got some sour cream right here. Let me say this about it ain't a half cup. It's probably about a quarter cup apiece of the mayo and the sour cream. And then we also gonna put these blue cheese crumbles in here as well. And we gonna throw in about 2 tablespoons of chives, because I like that color to pop up in my little dressing. So here we go. Here we go. Now we're gonna stir this up together real good like so. Now it's got this brownish color because of the sherry vinegar. I just happen to be a sherry vinegar fan. If you don't want to use sherry vinegar, you can also roll with white wine vinegar. You can use champagne vinegar. You do what you do. But I'm a sherry vinegar fan. So that's what I put in here. It's gonna have a brown color. It might not be so attractive, but it's all about the taste for me. So that's all you gotta do for that dressing. If y'all look on the B-roll can right there, that's all it's gonna look like. And what we wanna do for this is put this in the refrigerator while we do the rest of it, because I gotta cook up this guanciale. I'm gonna dice it up into nice small cubes, and then we're gonna cook it until it's crisp, and that's gonna be the topping that we put on our salad when it's done. So I'm gonna move all this out the way, and we'll come back when we get ready to cook that guanciale for you. You hear me? All right, we're gonna get these guanciale all crisped up. Now, if you don't know what guanciale is, it is pork jaw. Bacon is from the belly, then you got back bacon, and this right here is jaw bacon. Very good. It's an Italian meat. Good alternative to bacon. It ain't cheap now, I'm telling you that. It ain't cheap. Costs a little bit. But when you got the opportunity, you got a couple extra dollars you're trying to show out for your lady. Make her grin, and you come with this guanciale. You put it on anything that you would put bacon on. You can put guanciale on there. Just so you know. So all I'm gonna do is cook this down until it get crisp. When it get crisp, put it over there for it to drain a little bit of that fat out. And it's gonna be ready to put on our salad once it gets done. So Let me go and crisp these up, and I'll show y'all what they look like when they get done. All right, y'all, these guanciale are done. You know bacon is done, it's got a whole bunch of bubbles going on. And that's what we got, a whole bunch of bubbles. See all them bubbles? You know it's about ready to come on up out of here. Should have had me a slotted spoon, but I ain't got there right now, so. But it's real simple to do this right here. Don't take but a few minutes, and you done. Okay, there we go. All right. That y'all see on the B-roll cam right there, your guanciale nice and crispy, ready to roll. Don't take nothing to it. Yeah, man. So now we gonna get everything set back up so we can put our salad all together, and then you'll know how to do this for your lady this week, because I want y'all to do this salad this week, especially fellas, when you finna cook your lady that fantastic dinner that you said you was gonna do. It's gonna help you out right here while she wait on you to get through doing what you doing. So here we go. All right, it's time to assemble this wedge salad. Let me show y'all this here. I like when they cut the wedge like this. It's easier to eat to me. Some people do it long ways where they cut it into quarters where you still got the core attached. But I like doing my wedge like this, cutting it horizontally so you have your nice little circle right there. I think they look cute. I think it's easier to eat that way. So what we're gonna do, we're going to I guess we're gonna go like this here. We're gonna put the vinaigrette. We're gonna brush it on. So remember I said we want vinaigrette all in between the leaves. We want flavor everywhere. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna brush some of this vinaigrette all in between the leaves. So each bite that she take, she tasting something good. Do that like that. That should be enough right there. Okay. Let y'all see what that look like. We just brushed everything. And everything is soaking through between the leaves. Then next, I'm gonna take some of these chives and put a few chives on here because we want some color. A little color going on there. We want some of these jalapeno peppers. We don't want too many. We just want a little crunch, a little pop of heat here and there. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little dressing on. Drizzle that on there a little bit here and there. Want too much. Want her to still be in control of how much of this she wants. I just want to get her going. We're gonna drizzle a little bit on there like so. Just a little bit like that. And we're gonna take some of these cherry tomatoes. I believe in putting things on in odd numbers, like 3, 5, 7, 9, stuff like that. So we're gonna put about 5 on there like so. Something like that. And take some of these guanciale. Don't want too many. Want her to still, be in control, but I know my lady likes bacon. So we're gonna put a little more than I would for mine on hers, because she don't mind it. Then put a little more drizzle, just a little more here and there. And you put a little more chives. I want a little more color popping up off of there, like this up right there. See, that's a nice little salad right there. Y'all see that? Very simple. $1 for a head of lettuce. And then you come with your little toppings, however you want to do it. Shoot, that's a salad. It look like you went somewhere. You just look. It look like you went somewhere, but you at the house. She happy. She happy you did that, fellas. So you know, make you a wedge salad for your lady, man, and hold her down till you get through cooking their real foods. But you know what we gotta do first before we leave? We gotta do taste time. We gotta taste this thing. We gotta make sure it look delicious. Matter of fact, let me clean all this off and then just make it all about this salad. So we'll be right back. You hear me? All right, y'all know what time it is. It's taste time. So let's go and cut this salad up. I forgot I had the red onions, so the red onions on there now. They wasn't on there before, but I forgot to put my red onions on there. But like I say, see, when you cut the wedge like this here, it's easier to eat. You can just take the knife and do like so, and then get your little lettuce, get your little tomato, and go on taste like that. That's good right there. Got that dressing, got that gorgonzola, and that blue cheese playing with each other. Got that good guanciale. Got that sherry vinegar poking through. It's all good. She gonna love this while she wait on that food. Simple salad. Like I said, man. It's $1 for the little head of lettuce. And put what you want to put on there. You can either do exactly what I did, or you know, make up your own thing. Well, boy, that's good. She gonna feel like she went somewhere, but she at home with you, grinning, waiting on that food. So that's good, y'all. I want y'all to try that right there. And I thank the Lord for y'all. If y'all made it this far, I know you fool with me. And I'm so happy that I get to have a cooking show right now. Y'all just don't know how happy I am. I just have a cooking show right now. I'm just thankful. It's something I love to do. Man, I just love cooking. I love showing what I know with other people. Just make me happy. But check out my description box. Everything that I do is in the description box. Hopefully one day we can get some of that lamb in your mouth. But until next time, you know, check out these videos. I know some of y'all gonna be scared about some of this stuff I be doing, but I know for sure you gonna do it, even though you scared. Thank you so much. See you next time. You hear me?